Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk about do and does, how we can create questions and answers using do and does and when we use each one. Okay, so let's start here. So first, let's start with the pronouns. We have I, you, he, she, it, you, we, and they. So all of these are the pronouns, and these are the pronouns that will have the transformation to third person. Okay, so this will be the ones to be transformed to a third person. Okay, so let's see one example here. So I'm going to make a question. I'm going to write a question here using you. So do you like video games? So do you like video games? How can you answer this? You can answer it in the following way. Simple, short answer. Yes, I do. Okay, or a longer answer. Yes, I like video games. Then I complete with the rest of the question, video games. So yes, I like video games. Then we can also have the negative. No, I don't. This is the short answer. So no, I don't. And the long answer, no, I don't like video games. Okay.
Tell you, do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man!
Yes, I know the Muffin.
Okay, so let me just change color here. So observation, do is the auxiliary verb, okay? And like is the main verb. Okay, and this one is the auxiliary verb. Okay, so here the subject is you. So do you like video games? Then you answer with the same auxiliary as the question. So yes, I do. Or the longer answer, yes, I like video games. So here you won't need do because you have like. You just put like, that's fine. So I like video games. The negative, no, I don't. So just a simple answer. Here you have no. So if you have no in the beginning, you need to have a not here. So you have to say no, I don't. And here to continue, no, I don't. Here, just like video games. I don't like video games. So you simply add like after don't to show you don't like playing video games, okay? Now let's continue with another example. We're going to use does, because we're going to use he. Does he play soccer? So does he play soccer? You can have the answer yes, he does. So a simple answer here, so just yes, he does. I'm going to use the auxiliary from the question in the answer. I can have a longer answer, yes, he. Now comes the magic. Plays soccer. So yes, he plays soccer. See that we have play in the question, but the auxiliary is does, because of he. So we need does. So does he play? Because we have does, we use play in the question. But in the answer, we don't have the auxiliary here because it's an affirmative answer. So we're going to add s to the verb because of he. Okay, and so we have these two affirmative answers. Now we can have a negative. No, he doesn't. Well, let me improve this a little bit. Doesn't play soccer. No, he doesn't play soccer. See that this, because it is a negative, doesn't, okay, so doesn't, we do not modify the verb because we have the auxiliary does. It is in the negative form, but it exists. So we do not change the verb here. There's no change necessary because it's the negative. I forgot to put the simple answer, but I'm going to put it now. No, he doesn't. And this is the simple answer. Okay, the short answer. So this is for you to have an idea of how to ask the questions for I, you, we and they, and also the third person form with does when it's he, she, or it, the kind of transformation that you need to make.